So my new boat has a leak. All right, at some point these lag bolt holes became wider than the lag bolts and let a bunch of water in here, and water inside your catamaran hull is not good, or any hull for that matter. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna grind away the little chipped area around here with the little side grinder. I'm gonna tilt up my boat as much as I possibly can and drain all the water out of it. And then I think that I'm gonna fill this with liquid nails, just because it comes in a caulk tube. It is permanent. It's gonna fill the cracks basically. So wherever this hole goes, I'm gonna fill it with liquid nails, put that tube all the way up in there. And then on the outside here, on the outside like ½ inch or maybe 3/4 of an inch, I'm gonna pack this with that structural repair putty. And I'm gonna do that on both these holes here. This hole here, we're gonna cut it to about, I think it's 3/4. We might do a whole inch, I'm not exactly sure. And then we'll just put a plug down here in the bottom and make sure that these things stay drained. I believe the water line is here. And if you go over, that is just above where they had the holes. And it looks like the new motor bracket fits right in place. So I'm gonna drill a new hole here, smaller than this, and make sure that we don't have any leakage again. All right, we've got the area all sanded up. We're about to wipe it down with the acetone, and then we will apply the structural repair putty. I get this from Total Boat. You got to mix the little hardener with it. This isn't going to take much at all, just a couple of drops, and this will be done in just a second. So this stuff is blue in color now, and then when it hardens, it'll turn clear. Get it up in there.
Daddy. Ooh, yeah. We're going. Do you like this? What's it? Ooh, yeah.
You silly boy. So that was 2 really simple spots. I just put it on there a little bit thick, and then we'll smooth it out with a sander. I'm going to this side over here where they used to have the drain plug, and I'm going to put way too much on here, but I'm going to smooth this out also, and then we'll sand it. All right, you can see we've got the holes filled and sanded. We're going to wipe it with acetone so we can get our gel coat on.
Now paint the boat. Now paint the boat.
That's right.
And a people.
Well, I was trying to do just one coat.
Come on, turn on.
All right, so the plan is to plug it with one of these. So I'm gonna drill it to that size. I suspect a lot more water and other things are gonna come out of here. We're gonna have to let this dry before we seal it and then plug it for good. But yeah, I don't think there's anything else to do but just do it. So here we go. So far it's pretty hard, and I'm thinking my blade might be dull, so I might be switching blades before it's all over with. All right, I got a new bit. No doubt these are for wood, but hopefully this works. It's just our new boat. What could go wrong? Oh God. Oh, that scratches the all right, I've got to make an identical hole over there. I'm not going any further and chewing up this any more than I just did. That stinks. Man, that really... All right, back from the hardware store with the new bit. We got the Irwin Speed Bore. All right, so take a look here. The hole stops and hits something right there. But then it goes that way. So I'm sticking my finger all the way up in there. So it's kind of weird. So I think I'm stopping right there. I'm gonna wait till this drains and dries. I'm gonna repeat this process on the other side. So 1.5 boat holes, and this speedboard bit doesn't want to do anymore. What a piece of garbage. I paid $8 for a bit. It made one hole and it won't even finish this hole. I'm pushing so hard. Here we go. Almost there. God.
Daddy.
Hey, big guy.
Paint in a boat.
Paint in the boat. Alright, so in these holes, I'm just putting this stuff as thick as I can. No really strategy or technique to it, just glub it in there. Hey, big guy.
Daddy. Daddy.
Alright, that looks good. I think that'll work. That's gonna work out perfect. Okay, good deal.